Yes.
Oh, here is the system. So let's open it. Wow. Wow. Pop it. Pop it. I like this puppet. Okay, let's open it. Open this. So I have already opened this. Let's see what is inside it. Okay. So let's start. Wow! See how it is. So this is a Bluetooth selfie stick. Let's open it. Oh my gosh! So first we will open the charging point and we have to read this. So viewers, this is Bluetooth selfie stick. Let's open it. Wow. Hi. So this is a sticker and open it. Okay. So where is this? This is the selfie light, and this is the bottom of the. This is the light. This is the bottom of the light. So let's open. Oh wow! Let's see. It's like a touch. So we have to do it higher. See, this is higher. This is low. Okay. So it has a selfie stick also. See, magic. Oh, yay! And we have to. Okay. So viewers, do you know why this is button? This is the button to click the photos. And I will see. It can be used as a selfie stickers and selfie light. See, this is a selfie stand. We can normally do videos in the selfie stand. We can do bigger and smaller. Okay. This type. Wow, this is so small. This is so bigger. Wow. You see? Then next. It's so tight. So it can be used as a gimbal also. See? This is the adjustment point. Oh my gosh. We will start this button. We will do this like this. We can do in garden and many beautiful places like